That was a Ford, wasn't it? Once.
I like that. Earlier this year, diver Tony Sampson pulled a large hardwood tree stump out of the Oak Island swamp. If, as the data indicates, the stump was growing sometime between 1450 and 1640 AD, then it would help the team pinpoint the date the swamp was created and when a possible treasure could have been buried on the island.
That's impressive.
Yes, it is.
That date drives really well with any number of theories. It would also kind of indicate that the swamp is man-made.
What about the money pit?